Hello, my friend. The moment I sit down at my easel to create art is magical. Time flows into numerous strokes of color to tell a story of hope, loneliness, and my inner need to capture the divine nature of the universe. We all have the light and dark inside us, but our will or choice to do anything in life is real. We are not guided by some unknown forces or mystery. We are here to do what we set out to create ourselves. If you love artistic expression as much as I do and enjoy painting outdoors or in your studio, a stable but portable easel is necessary for every artist. This one comes in three colors: oak, black, and walnut. This plein air easel requires no assembly. Just take it out of your box, unfold it, and set it up for a painting session or a gallery presentation. I like functional things. The art easel weighs under 4 pounds and can fit in carry-on luggage. Made of lightweight aluminum alloy, it can be folded to just 20 inches. The easel is easy to set up, carry around, or store in a closet. It can fit on a table. It can also be used as a floor easel because I can adjust its length between 20 and 65 inches. How to unfold it? Unfold the front legs of the tripod, then unfold the back leg, and then to unlock the rod, turn it clockwise, pull and turn counterclockwise. The most important thing about art easels is their stability. This one doesn't disappoint. The easel has locks and non-slip silicone pads on each leg to hold art up to 11 pounds. It can also level your canvas on uneven surfaces, which is useful if you paint outdoors. The easel can hold a variety of canvases or panels. Some canvases are very narrow or panels super narrow, but some canvases can be up to 3 inches wide. It also holds canvas sizes up to 11 inches in width and 26 inches in height. So you can use it for art gallery displays, outdoor painting, and studio work. This easel has a pleasantly surprising additional feature. If you need a tripod for your phone camera or light, this easel comes with a mount to hold the phone for recording. It's super necessary today as we keep recording our lives for all our social media accounts. To activate a 2-year limited warranty, you will need to scan a code attached to the easel inside the box. And the downside, some parts are made of plastic and I don't know how long they would last. It cannot hold big and heavy art, but no foldable easel can. Also, it's not cheap, but I'm tired of crappy stands that fall off and cannot even balance small canvases. I figured it's more valuable to buy one solid easel instead of 2-3 cheap ones that end up in a trash bin anyway. Enhance your creativity with this steady and functional easel sold by KraftGeek. If you are interested in purchasing this beautiful easel on Amazon and support my channel, please use the link listed in the description of this video, or simply buy it at the store online. Use the discount code Veronica to get it at a better price. And thank you so very much. I hope you enjoy the creative process using this easel. Take care. Bye-bye.